So what I excuse me, what I did there was I brought my stop down to where I can't make less than double there. So now we're coming down. It may go ahead and come up and get me stopped. Let's see what it does here. I'm holding my stop just so that I can come out ahead on this. In case it drops down, then I can go ahead and put my stop there. So if it drops on down to here, I'll bring my stop down to here. So right there. And that way I can secure at least the $500 off of that one. And then as it goes on down, then it gets into this zone. Once it gets down to this yellow line, there we go. So now we're going to go ahead and bring down to our low. Now the bot is actually moving the stop as we go, but I like to secure the profit a little more. And let's see here, I did not want that to go in, so let me stop that and get this up, get it up there. I forgot to pause the bot. I did not want it to enter another trade. It turns out it's going to be profitable, so we're going to go ahead and at least secure that part. And I have the bot paused right now, so it won't enter another trade. If it would reverse and come down, it will not enter that trade. So now we're all the way up there. Our stop is there. We're doing real well on our profit. We had 2 losing trades in the beginning, but that's fine. The bot will usually pull itself out. So once we get up here, I'm going to put my stop right there on the yellow line. And I'm using the Ranger indicator with this, and also the mover. The Ranger indicator supplies my zones and for supply and demand zones, and also there we go. So we're stopped out. We did not enter a trade. We're up 2438.40, and that is after the commissions. So we started at so see, this is a total of 5 minutes, just over 5 minutes, and we're up $2,400. So 2438.40. So this is SpyBot SuperTrend. I have settings that work for the opening that we use, and it depends on how risk your drawdown is and so forth. If you have a larger account, it's not that big a deal. If you have a smaller account, you can trade this on 1 contract or even 2 or whatever you want to do. I traded on 4 contracts, but you can see how good it does. And check out the website at spymoneyllc.com, and at the top you'll see auto trading bot. Click on that. It'll go over all the details of it. If you need to speak to me about it, just click on the contact page, and if I open that up, let's see here. If I open this up, and let me go to my website, and I'll just show you real quick. Go over here. So if you go up here to auto trading bot, this will show all the details of it and so forth. There's a couple videos and pictures and so forth. This does work with the funding account. So if you go to a funded account, there's 2 different ones I recommend. Both of these right here, they're both great companies. They have a little bit of difference between them. The long run, you're going to be better off with Apex because you get 90% of your money, where UProfit you get 80% of your money. The one good part about UProfit is you start getting paid immediately, and with Apex it's going to take you about 6 months by the time you can actually draw the money that you've made out of it. You can get little draws for 3 months, and then the 4th month you get you can take whatever. So if you plan on using a funded account over the long run, this one would be your better one because you're going to make more money. UProfit does a really good job. I'm pleased with it as well. I do have coupon codes right here, so if you use this code for the 50% off Apex and this one for the UProfit Trader, you just click on those links up there, those pictures, and it will take you there. Use my coupons and save you some money. This is through February. This one's through the end of March. And again, the funded account, the way I look at it is a funded account, you don't really need a lot of money in your account, but in order to trade futures. But if you say, to trade this bot, you need, really double whatever your trade is what you need, and that'll get you through some drawdown like we had today. To find out more information, click this contact button if you want to speak to me. Put your name, phone number, put a message in here what the best time to contact you, and then I will get in touch with you and discuss all of the different options that you could have with the SpyBot and also with the VIP club. If you lease the SpyBot auto trading bot, then you also get the VIP club, which is right here, and it goes over all this. It's a live training that I do to help you learn how to trade better, and also you get access to my courses on the website. So that would help you out a bunch. And the better trader you are, the better you are at using the bot. This right here, usually coming out of the gate, we will have usually we might have one bad one and the second one is good. I thought we were going to go long here, and that's why I allowed this to happen. I thought, this right here would be the one, but it turns out we had some drawdown. We had 2 bad trades. I let the bot take out the trade completely. I never moved it. I could have saved a little bit on that, but I felt that it was going to come out pretty good. Then we went ahead and took this trade all the way up, and by taking it out, it actually, I put my stop up here. I could have made a little more, but I put my stop just to protect in case it would just pull down real quick. So I'm not displeased with my actions there. I did what I should have done. Same thing with here. I could have made a little bit more and took my profit there, but usually on this yellow line, that's a good sign that we might keep going. So I kept my stop up here just in case it would kind of pull up a little bit and then come down. But instead, we had 2 bad trades right off the bat, and that's why you need your drawdown. And then we had the good trade, and which brought us almost out of all of this mess. And then this one did, and then right here was a very good profit. So as you can see, I shut it off. This would have been a winner right here. This would have been a loser, and that would have been a winner. And right here, you're doing nothing but giving money back. So usually when I get to where I'm somewhere around $1,500 to $2,000 in profit, I shut it off. The strategy for this is once you enter and you make a good trade, you just go ahead and quit. But I was watching this and looking back at the market, seeing how this was kind of going up and down, but we were trending up, so I allowed it to go ahead and take that other one. So I go over on how to trade this in the videos to help you make the most money out of it. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'd be happy to help you. Again, this works with the funded accounts as well. Doesn't matter which one you want as far as the company, but this works really well. Usually in about 5 minutes or less, you will have the profit for the day, and then you're done. So you don't have to do anything after that. So have any questions, let me know. I'd be more than happy to help you. You can see me at SpyMoneyLLC.com. Have a good day.